Nerve pain and tingling can be challenging to manage, and individuals experiencing these symptoms are often seeking ways to alleviate their discomfort. While medical interventions and therapies play a crucial role in treatment, adopting a balanced and nutritious diet can also contribute to overall well-being and potentially help mitigate nerve-related symptoms. Anti-inflammatory foods. Chronic inflammation is often associated with nerve pain and tingling. Including foods with anti-inflammatory properties in your diet can potentially help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms. Examples of anti-inflammatory foods include fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, olive oil, nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, fruits, such as berries and oranges, and leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and potential benefits for nerve health. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3s, such as fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, into your diet may help support nerve function and reduce pain and tingling sensations. Vitamin B-rich foods. B vitamins, particularly vitamins B1, B6, and B12, are essential for maintaining nerve health and function. Including foods rich in these vitamins, such as whole grains, legumes, green leafy vegetables, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products, can potentially help support the nervous system and reduce nerve-related symptoms. Magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium plays a vital role in nerve function and muscle relaxation. Consuming magnesium-rich foods, such as leafy green vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and dark chocolate, may help alleviate nerve pain and tingling by promoting proper nerve signaling and reducing muscle tension. Antioxidant-rich foods. Oxidative stress, caused by an imbalance between antioxidants and free radicals in the body, can contribute to nerve damage and inflammation. Including antioxidant-rich foods in your diet can help combat oxidative stress and potentially alleviate symptoms. Examples of antioxidant-rich foods include colorful fruits and vegetables, green tea, dark chocolate, and spices like turmeric and ginger. Foods with natural pain-relieving properties. Certain foods possess natural pain-relieving properties that may help alleviate nerve-related discomfort. For example, ginger and turmeric have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, while tart cherries contain compounds that can potentially reduce inflammation and pain. Incorporating these foods into your diet, along with consulting your healthcare professional, may offer some relief. Conclusion: while diet alone cannot completely cure nerve pain and tingling, incorporating certain foods into a balanced and nutritious eating plan may provide additional support and potentially help alleviate symptoms. Anti-inflammatory foods, those rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins B and magnesium, as well as antioxidant-rich foods, can contribute to maintaining nerve health and reducing inflammation. Additionally, foods with natural pain-relieving properties, such as ginger, turmeric, and tart cherries, may offer some relief. However, it is crucial to remember that dietary changes should be discussed with a healthcare professional, as individual conditions and medical histories vary.